If you're looking for a seamless way to trigger make.com automations via Google Sheets, then I have a awesome solution that's going to work great for you. I was recently working with a client who needed to trigger certain make.com automations when he was making updates in certain areas on Google Sheets. And it's a really simple setup, and I'll show you real quick. So essentially, if you change the status for one of these records in Google Sheets, it's going to send a webhook with the data for that record straight to make.com, and then it's going to send an email notification with information from that record. And so I'll show you real quick. This is what it just sent over. And so real simple. Again, all it is it's a Google Apps script attached to this Google Sheet, and it's set up to essentially monitor all of the rows in this table. And in particular, it's looking at the status column. And whenever the status of that table changes for any row, it's going to look at that particular row. And if the status was changed to completed, it's going to take all of the data from that record and send it straight to make.com. And so again, on this side, the make automation is it's receiving the data. We're setting some variables with a email message and whatnot, and then it's sending that email, and real simple. And so if you're wanting to set this up on your own, all you have to do is you can go to my repository, my GitHub repository, Univium Automation Tools, and you can find the code. I think I have it in this automation packages folder, trigger automations with Google Sheets. You can just download the on-change trigger automations Google Apps script code, and you're just going to come to your sheet, go to extensions, go to Google Apps script, paste your code here and click save, and then you'll be good there. And then next, all you're going to do is you're going to download the make.com blueprint JSON file, and you're going to go into Make, create a scenario, and import that. And then that setup's relatively simple. You're going to have to create a webhook, which you'll go and you'll put in the script properties of the app script. And then after that, you'll be good to go. Of course, you may want to set up your data how you want it and all of that, but it'll send it over to the make automation, and it'll send that email. And so there's a lot you can do with this. It's real simple, and I think it was just a real simple, good automation that I wanted to share in case anyone finds it helpful or finds it interesting. And if you're looking to learn more about how you can send webhooks with Google Apps Script, I have a video on that, which I'll include in the description of this video. And if you're looking to learn more about managing emails in make.com, I'll include a link to another one of my videos as well. So other than that, I think that's everything said. Thank y'all very much, and take care.